You recognize love after the fact. You did what you did, and that was that. Don't say words that you don't mean. And when I'm gone, please speak well of me. Looking back now, I only wish I had been kinder. Did I ever know love? Did I ever know love? And could I have been blinder? Don't say words that you don't mean. When I'm gone, please speak well of me. Someday I would say that I'm sorry if it would do any good. But to never regret means you have to forget, and I don't think that